औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम ताठो बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू क्लास 7 चैप्टर एसिड बेसिस एंड साल्ट्स चैप्टर नंबर 5 टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चंस करो आज यथ वीडियोस मन गोडन्युक क्वेश्चन एक्सरसाइज गोडन्युक क्वेश्चन फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स अत मज वर्ड दित बिटर आंट कोरेसिव सिट्रिक सोपी सोकड लाइम यम जन वर्ड गिवन दिथ fill in the blanks spaces by choosing correct words from the list given below list word no dith yim ch matlab fill karni man fill in the blanks maz godnik objective chu godnik fill in the blanks chu the acid found in lemon is dash acid athi citric acid doim fill in the blanks chu the bases have a bitter taste bases have a bitter taste and soapy touch. Trim chu the sitting of the ants contains formic acid. Athi ants. Sulfuric acid is highly corrosive. तमाम यह जन सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड highly corrosive acid. Acidic soils are neutralized with yim zan acidic soils neutralized gasan kem sait slaked lime sait Impact doim question statements given below are incorrect. Write the correct statements. Yum ch incorrect statements dith. Yum ch correct karin. Statement sulfuric acid is an example of an organic acid. You should be correct. Sulfuric acid is an example of mineral acid. You should organic acid example ki balki mineral acid example. Blue litmus paper turns red in a basic solution. The man using a blue litmus paper should turn red. Basic solution. Blue litmus paper turns red in acidic solution. You should acidic solutions red. Kathmas acidic solutions red. You should correct carrot. 3 part Chana rose solution turns green in citric acid solution. Chana rose solution turns green in sodium hydroxide solution. You should green hydroxide solution. Formic acid is found in the sitting of an ant. Formic acid in the sitting of an ant. Formic acid is grasshopper bajay chu ant. Pancham. During neutralization, an acid reacts. The usually neutralization chigasan. An acid reacts with a base. Acid churala base side to form water and salt as products. Ach bana water, base bana salt product nera. Kim said, yields a neutralization acidus base said. Ralan chat said, you should banama water, base banama salt. Imic product, then will product shasam. Yet, but 3 part. 3 parts truth false. Write true or false in front of the following statement. Statement true false. Statement caption. Tooth decay is caused by the presence of basic substance in mouth. The man using tooth decay you should kim say the presence of basic substance in mouth. You should false. Gwandik is false. The substance we shows different colors. So substance using mukhtalif color in acids and bases are called indicators. It should true. Path go 3 milk of magnesia and slaked lime are the examples of neutral substance. Yeh chu false. Acid rain is caused by the excess of carbon dioxide in air. Yeh chu true. Acid rain is caused by the excess of carbon dioxide in air. Potassium hydroxide turns blue litmus red. Yeh chu false. Most of the fruits contain organic acids. Yeh chu true.